This is last year's haul. Last year isn't near as bad as what I saw out there this week. This is 2018. This is one old lady diving in front of a couple of houses along Silver Beach, between Silver Beach and Lions Park in St. Joe, Michigan. In a matter of maybe 5 afternoons, this is what I hauled out of the lake. And this is only what I find. These things sink into the sand and they're gone forever. I keep writing to Fred Upton. He keeps doing nothing. He ignores me. He sent me one letter back in the mail with some blue marker penned in. I can't even read. Doesn't the man own a pen? Jeez. So I'm going to shoot this to the news. Maybe if the media gets on this, they might do something. I keep hoping the manufacturers of these balls could change the formula and make them floating. I know they make floating balls. I know they make biodegradable balls. Selfish bastards that have to bat these out. They spend one swing on one ball and it's gone forever. Makes no sense to me. But maybe if they're floating and enough speedboats smack into them enough times, people would get mad. But no, they go out in the bottom of the lake, out of sight, out of mind, nobody cares. Imagine what's down there that I haven't found, and no one else is looking for them down there that I know of. Situation is as bad as I've ever seen it. I used to go out with a sack smaller than this, and it would take me all day. I might find a dozen balls. This is one afternoon in front of one house, and this isn't even a drop in the bucket. This is at least 20 pounds of balls here. Look at that. And there's spots out there where it's literally carpeted with golf balls. These damn things will decompose. It'll take them 100 years, but they will decompose. The very chemicals Fred Upton keeps fighting to keep out of the lake. Here it is. Do something.